So you want to create a film, then pick your genre. What do you love in filming? Romance, fantasies, comedies, sci-fis, actions, drama, and many more to pick. What is your dream movie? My first movie, Still Then Just Escape the Movie Part 1, is an action and drama film. Even though the game reference was a horror and survival, I picked drama and action because that's what I want to watch. Likewise for the game, I pick horror and survival because I want to play horror and survival game. Indie faith drama. That's what I want to tell from my film when I'm old. The emotions I want to share. The feelings I want to express. I want to watch a drama movie, so I created my own version of the genre, my own perspective of drama.